I am Muhammad Ayub Ali, an assistant teacher, English of Gauripur SA High School. My dear students, I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Suppose a person has delivered his lecture or speech and you want to write it. In case of writing, you can follow two systems. First, direct speech, and second, indirect speech. Direct speech. If you want to write the speech of the speaker in his own way, that means you don't want to change it. It is direct speech. But if you write it in your own way, that means you want to change it. It is called indirect speech. So our today's lesson is direct speech and indirect speech, that means narration. Dear students, you know that in your English second paper, narration is an important chapter. Okay? And if you want to know about narration, you have to know first tense. Without knowing tense, you cannot write it smoothly and you cannot understand what narration is. Okay? However, dear students, have you looked at the board? One, a man says to me, comma, inverted comma, I know you, full stop, and inverted comma, second inverted comma. If you want to do, or if you want to know about the sentence, you have to first know the parts of the sentence. That Here students, look at the board. A man says to me, here you can see, says, removing verb. That means if you want to write the speech of a speaker, you have to use a verb called reporting verb. Says, reporting verb. May object of the reporting verb. A man, subject of the reporting verb. And then comma, and you have to know that the reporting speech must be in inverted comma. This is inverted comma. And the sentence what the speaker said is called reported speech. Okay? Now the answer of the sentence will be written. Look at the board. Me, object of the reporting verb. If there is reporting verb, you will use tail verb instead of verb say. If there is no object, you will use the reporting verb say. Okay? So a man tells me, and then inverted comma will be abolished, and that conjunction will be used instead of inverted comma, because the reporting speech is assertive sentence. You know that there are 5 kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamative sentence. Okay? If the reporting speech is assertive sentence, then you will use that as conjunction. That. Next, subject of the reported speech. Subject I. And if the subject or person or the word is first person, it will touch subject of the reporting verb. I, it has touched man, but a man does not come directly. Pronoun of the man will be used. He. I know, he, know. As he third person, so S will be added. You know. And then you, second person. If there is the word second person, it will touch object of the reporting verb. Okay? And me. So the answer is, a man tells me that he knows me. Look at the sentence. A man says to me, but second sentence, a man said to me. What's the difference? First sentence is present tense, but second sentence is past tense. So, said past tense. So, a verb will be turned into past tense, told. And say, inverted comma will be abolished and a conjunction that will be used. And then subject I, first person, so it has passed the subject of the reporting verb. And the pronoun of the man will be used, he. Now, you have to remember that what kind of tense it is. Okay? Reporting verb is past tense, so a reported speech will be turned into the same past tense. If it is present indefinite tense, it will be past indefinite tense. If it is present continuous tense, it will be turned into past continuous tense. If it is present perfect tense, it will be past perfect tense. If it is present perfect continuous tense, it will be past perfect continuous tense. Okay? So he use second person. So the object of the reporting verb will come me. Okay? Look at the board. The teacher said to the boy, comma and inverted comma, where did you go yesterday? Dear boys, you know that where did you go yesterday? What kind of sentence it is? It is interrogative sentence. So, the teacher asked. In case of question, the reporting verb of saying will be changed to ask or inquire of. The teacher asked. Then question, if question word is present, that question word will be used. Question word like where, which, when, how, what, how many, how much, how long, etc. Where. And then subject. Subject you second person. It indicates object of the reporting verb, the boy. But pronoun of the boy will be used. Where? He. And then you have to remember the tense. What type of tense it is? It is past indefinite tense. If reporting verb is past tense, and the reporting speech past indefinite tense, it will be past perfect tense. So he had, and then past participle of the verb gone, and time yesterday, it will also be changed. The previous day. So the answer is, the teacher asked the boy where he had gone the previous day. Okay? Look at the board. The general said to the soldiers, fire on. So, the reported speech is, can you say what type of the sentence the reported speech is here? Who can say? Okay, fine. This is imperative sentence. Now, reporting verb of saying will be used, and in case of command, you can use command, order, etc. The general commanded the soldiers, then inverted comma will be used. In case of commanding, that means if a reported speech is imperative sentence, only two will be used before verb. Fire, here it is verb. To fire on. Okay. What minute is it? Dear students, look at the board. Mother said to her son, comma, inverted comma, may you be happy. You know that the reported speech is what type of sentence? Optative sentence. Fine. In that case, in case of optative sentence, you will be used pray instead of saying mother prayed for her son, and that will be used as conjunction. And then subject of the reported speech, you, second person. So object of the reporting verb, he, son, and its pronoun he, may as reporting verb past tense. So may will be might. And next number, the man said, how fine the moon is. You know, how fine the moon is an exclamatory sentence. So, reporting verb is say. Now, as reporting the speech is exclamatory sentence, so exclaim will be used instead of saying. Exclaim with joy. In case of sorrow or joy, the man exclaimed with joy that next subject the moon, it is third person. So it will not be changed. The moon. And then verb is but it is past tense, so it will be past tense. The moon was. And very, the word very adverb has been used instead of how. Fine. Okay. However, this is your home task. Dear students, this is your home class. First, the man said to me, inverted comma, I can help you. Second, mother said to her daughter, inverted comma, are you going to school now? The teacher said to the boys, listen to me. The man said to us, may you succeed. The man said, what a fine bird it is. Okay? You will present in the next class with your home task. I pray that you will be successful in your own way, and I also pray for you to be free from coronavirus. Okay? Khuda Hafiz. Thank you all.